Yay! You can make your and sounds all by themselves, which means you're not stuck up at the top of the mountain anymore. You're starting to walk down and you're ready for syllable practice. So I've put our or sound in the middle of our syllable wheel. What we're going to do is start from the inside and go out with our sound. Then we're going to go backwards. Then we're going to do the same thing with our sound. I want you to remember to use this scale up here. And as you practice, think about, oh, was that not quite right? Should we try again? Are you getting closer? You're almost there? Or did you do it perfectly? And I want someone in your house to listen to you as well and have them rate you on this scale. So here we go. I'm going to say the syllable first. Then when I point to you, it's going to be your turn to say the syllable. Here we go. Say. Sa. See. Se. Sigh. Sit. So. Saw. Few. Sa. Nice job. Now it's time to go backwards. Here we go. Eighth. F. F. E. I. If. Oath. Off. Youth. Us. All right, now we're going to do the TH that has the voice turned on, which is Ready? Let's go. They. That. The. The. Thy. This. Though. The. View. The. All right, now it's time to go backwards with our sound. Here we go. Ave. Av. Eve. Ev. I've. If. Oath. Oz. Youth. Of. Nice job. Hope you're working towards getting almost there and to perfect with those syllables. Then you can move on to the word level.